Hey everyone, welcome back to Tooling Round Acres. Today, not only do we test products, but we also repair them. Unfortunately, we do have to do a repair on our weed eater gas line that feeds the weed eater, and I'm going to show you how to repair that today. I ordered this kit off of Amazon. We'll actually put this link in the description so you can have access to that as well. And it comes with everything that you need. It's got the filters, got the line. It also has new pumps so that you can replace the bulb, and then we should be good to go. Here's our Craftsman weed eater that has the broken fuel line, as you can see here. And I'm going to replace that, as well as the filter that's inside down at the bottom. So hopefully everything goes good and we will have it back up and running. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the tank is empty, and then we're going to pull these lines out, and of course they break off. Clean up anything that's still on there. Make sure you get it all off. That's the easiest part. Hardest part is going to be getting this line out from inside. I apologize for the video. This is not coming out very easily. So you might have to work with it to get it out. We'll be right back. So here is the old filter that was in here, and we're going to replace it with one of these. The fun part of replacing the line, at the other end you'll see that it has this connector on it. So you'll take this off and then plug in the new piece, which I'll show you that in just a few moments. So this kit comes with multiple sizes of hose, and you just need to find the correct one that fits the one you pulled out. So in some cases you might see that it's actually easier to take the tank off to work on it to get the hose in, because it's a little difficult. So the hard part of the installation is actually getting these hose back in through the gas tank. And once I get it all in here, I will show you what I did to make it a little bit easier. So to make it easier, what I did is I cut an angle on the line, and then I was able to stick it through the hole far enough to where I could grab a hold of it with a pair of pliers and then pull and push at the same time so that I could get the line out. Now that I have it in this space, I can square it off and then put this back in there so that it will feed back into the tank. So once you have that connected, you'll actually pull it back through, and you'll see down there in the bottom how I pulled it all the way up to the top. Now what you have to do is, once you get the gas tank reconnected, line up the hose long enough so that you can stick it on here. So now you just cut to length and reinstall. Say reinstall, and you are good to go. So now that we've gotten everything back together, the only thing to do now is put fuel in it and start it up. So now that we have gas in it, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get it started. And there she works. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please send me a message. I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Hope you like the video and content. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.